Hello, I'm back. It's morning, Sunday, March the 9th, 2008. And hi to everybody in Piñahan. Those are some of the tenants living here or looking for the door. And he missed it. I don't know what he's looking. Anyway, okay, those are the snow. The super here just done cleaning the road. Look, he piled up on the sidewalk and more. Okay, that's the bus. Bus. Okay, have to move. Oh, that's the window. Okay, see? Those are the snow. Those are the snow. Okay, those are our garbage bin. Okay. Okay, and we have a bonus now. Today, the start of daylight saving time. It's sunny, but it's really cold. Okay, bye for now. Bye bye.